Welcome back, barbecue friends. We are out in a bitter cold here. I just lit the Napoleon Pro Kettle here. We're going to be cooking up some steaks. Now we got a temperature outside -6 degrees Celsius with the wind chill -13. Very cold out today. But I'm going to show you, stick it out and get outside. You could still barbecue. I also got to say, I got a wood fire going in my stove here inside my hot tent. It's getting nice and comfortable in here. So it's a nice little escape out of the wind just to warm up. So I'll show you inside the kettle grill here. Here I got quite a bit of charcoal I put in here. We're going to get a nice coal bed going. Of course, I left one side without any coals. So what I'll do, I'll put that grill grate in there. Got our cast iron grill grate here from our Napoleon Pro. Set that, I put it in the second position. We're going to close this lid. I got the opening all the way here. So we're going to get the interior of that grill nice and hot. While that's warming up, I'm going to step inside here and warm up. You can see I got my wood splits here. Get the wood stove going. I got a beer open. I got my buddy here staring at me. You can see I still got some frost here on the inside, but as the inside of this tent warms up, that's all going to melt. Then we can get out and enjoy a beer. I should say, I got these overalls. I bought them on Amazon. It really helps in that cold wind blows. Keeps your legs and your body warm here. Good stuff. Very reasonable. I'll share the link in the description if you're interested. Today I got a light beer from Kingsville Brewing Company. Just enjoying that out here. We're going to give the grill a few minutes here and then we'll get those steaks on and I'll take you with me. Now I got these two New York strip steaks from J&E Meats. That's what we're going to be cooking on the grill tonight. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring these in the house, take them out of their plastic vacuum seal. Then I'm going to put some salt and pepper on them, just season them. Then I'll bring them out and we'll put them on the grill. Hot. But opposite to our coals, I'm going to put an aluminum tray and I'm going to put a generous amount of beef tallow in there. Okay, here we go. Nice hot coal bed here. Beef tallow here. We're going to let that render down. Okay, here we got our steaks all salt and peppered, ready for the grill. Just looking beautiful already. What I'm going to do, just wait for that beef tallow to all turn to liquid. And I should say beef tallow, like an oil, very volatile. And we're over open flame here, so just be careful if you're doing this. Step into my warm tent for my beer. Have a sip of that. Tell you, with the cold outside, standing above these hot coals sure feels good. All right, these coals are nice and hot. See, our tallow's almost fully rendered there. Let's start searing these steaks. I like to start off, I put both my steaks with both fat caps on the same side. Hold them just like this, and then we're going to start off with those fat caps over the flame here. Oh yeah, just like that. Let that go for a couple minutes. Want to get a nice sear in that fat cap while we have them in that position. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip those over and we're going to start doing this edge on this side. Oh yeah, now it feels like summertime. Never mind the bitter cold. This is where those long-handled tongs come in handy here. We'll flip that over. And like I say, we'll start searing that other side. You can see that beautiful sear we got on that fat cap. You can see our beef tallow is fully rendered now. All right, now we're going to start searing those sides. Lay that down. Get a real nice sear over those hot coals. All right, after a couple minutes on that side, we'll flip them around. And we'll start searing the other side of that steak. All right, now we got a decent sear, real nice sear on both sides of those steaks. Now what I'm going to do is place them in that beef tallow dish. Now all I'm going to do now, they're going to stay in that beef tallow dish until we get an interior temperature of between 125 and 130. Now I laid them in there. Now I'm just going to flip them over to get the beef tallow coated on both sides of those steaks. Oh, look at that. That looks like a beauty. So currently we got a temperature, interior temperature of that steak of around 80 degrees. This one's about 82. So they're pretty much the same. Now all I'm going to do is close that lid. Again, I got the vent fully open here. We're going to just let that sit like it's in a hot oven until we get the interior temperature of those steaks up to about 125, 130. Then we're going to pull them off. This should take about 4 or 5 minutes. So after a minute or two, what I'm going to do, just flip these over. Like I say, I'm just going to keep these coated in that beef tallow. Again, until we reach that interior temperature of 125 or so. Flip it over. Flip it over. Maybe we'll flip that tray around. Get as even cooking as possible. Do another interior temperature check. We're about 95. Again, about 95. And that was only about a minute and a half or so. Like I say, that 4 to 5 minute mark is probably about right. Like I say, standing out here, the lower half of me with these overalls, I'm telling you, really does the trick. All right, we're a couple more minutes in here. Probably a total cooking time of about 3.5 to 4 minutes. Again, we'll flip these around. Keep these coated nicely. Tell you, the smell of this with that beef tallow is just fantastic. You can see we started off just getting that sear before we started getting our interior temperature just perfect. We're about 112. This one's 123. We're getting real close on that. Well, this one was a little bit cooler. This one's a little more cooked, so we'll leave it in that position for another minute or so. Let's just close the lid. You could just see how hot this grill is. We're at 600 degrees right now. We're another minute or so here. Again, these are just warming away here. Give them another flip. Keep them coated in that beef tallow. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. All right, we'll do another temperature check here. By the feel of that, that one's ready. Oh yeah, we're 130 on that for sure. And 130 on that one as well. Okay, I'm gonna take these off the grill. All right, I'm gonna bring these in the house. What I'll do, I'll slice them up. We're gonna make some dinner plates for dinner. I'm gonna end the video here, but I'll try to get some video footage and some snapshots from in the house. I'm telling you, the smell of this is fantastic, but more importantly, get out there, even in the middle of winter. Bring yourself out a couple steaks. Light it up on the grill here. I'm telling you, just fantastic feeling that heat on your face with the cold all around you. Well, if you like this video, I appreciate a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next one.